Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exceptional kitchen accessory that elevates your culinary experience. The Hsei 2PC's Acacia Wood Cutting Board Set with Handle. This set is the best charcuterie board for anyone looking to impress their guests while enjoying a delightful spread of cheese, meats, and fruits. Let's take a closer look at what makes this board set a must-have in every kitchen. Crafted from durable acacia wood, these cutting boards not only offer resilience but also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Acacia wood is renowned for its strength and unique patterns, ensuring that each board is one of a kind. The natural variations in color and grain provide a rustic charm, making them perfect for serving or preparing food. This set includes two boards, a round one measuring 16 by 12 inches, and a rectangular option that's slightly larger at 17 by 10 inches. Each board is designed with practicality in mind, offering ample space for all your culinary tasks. Whether you're chopping fresh veggies, slicing up a succulent roast, or arranging a stunning charcuterie display, these boards have you covered. What truly sets these boards apart is the inclusion of handles, making transportation from kitchen to table effortless. You can easily carry your creations straight to your guests, allowing you to showcase your delicious spreads without any hassle. But it's not just about functionality. These boards are designed to impress. Their elegant aesthetics make them perfect for entertaining, be it a casual gathering with friends or a more formal dinner party. The sturdy construction ensures longevity, while the hand-wash care instruction keeps maintenance simple. And let's not forget about gifting. This charcuterie board set makes for an ideal present for anyone who enjoys cooking or entertaining. It's perfect for housewarmings, weddings, or even a thoughtful gift for your favorite foodie. The combination of beauty and utility ensures that it will be a cherished addition to anyone's kitchen. In summary, the Hsei 2PC's Acacia Wood Cutting Board Set with Handle is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. With its stylish design, practical functionality, and high-quality material, this set truly stands out as the best charcuterie board available. If you're ready to elevate your culinary presentations, consider adding this beautiful set to your kitchen arsenal. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!